This is the effect. One spectator selects a car, for instance this one. Then you say that the car will appear into one of these three balloons. Well, I think I have a technical problem. Nothing important. Anyway, two balloons. You say the car will appear into one of these two balloons. Could be the yellow one or maybe the green one. Okay. You like the yellow one? The car will appear inside this balloon. Can you tell me the name of the car, please? Jack of Diamonds. Okay, there is the Jack of Diamonds.